Zulu, Zulu. Do you read me, Zulu? Zulu?
And I can't see anything.
Blimey, water's very murky, isn't it?
Crikey, you've got your own set.
Derek, what's that blue thing coming towards us?
Every little dot is coming towards us. And sounds a bit scary, doesn't it?
Flirty McFlirtson.
God, you turn me on.
Howard's coming, quick move.
I think this lighting's fixing.
Julie, could you fix the light, please?
Kill the lights! Kill the lights!
Look, I just wanted to talk to you very quickly as it was dark.
Maybe we should talk really quietly as well.
Shh. No, yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you want to talk quietly or loudly? What's quiet?
Please, just listen.
Quietly or loud?
Really quietly.
So like this.
Tiny bit higher.
Under the tree like this.
Very sexy. Stop it, professional.
Why should we waste time, Anne? We know what we should do together. You, me, and this periscope.
Xylophones, do you hear them?
You hear them too!
Zebras, I see zebras everywhere!
Anne! Get it together, Anne!
Blimey! Roger!
Crikey, who's Roger?
Derek, I'm sorry.
Every time we get close, you mention another name.
Forget me, I'm not worth it.
Golly gosh, I can't forget you, Anne! The time we spent together on this submarine with our two periscopes.
Have you any idea what it's like being down here in this dark place?
I know exactly what it's like. We've been down here in this dark place for years. Just me and you, and Gloria, and a few other people.
Julian.
Knight in shiny armour. The knight in shiny armour, you want. I could be that. I could be your knight. You have me.
If you only knew how much I cared for you, Julian, Gloria, and everybody else that's on board this ship. But you just make my heart beat.
Listen, I think we skipped a letter, but it's fine.
Maybe we should not do this anymore.
No, let's just do it. Go a little bit lower.
Oh, I can't.
Please, it's been so long! Please.
Quentin likes it.
Right, so there's Quentin. There's all of these people. And what about me?
Stop it, you're just teasing me. Look, let's get...
Teasing you? How can I be teasing you? I haven't said any other person's name. You've said all of these others.
Underneath there is a gun. Get it.
Very well, I'll get the gun. It's a big one.
Why don't you just shoot me? I'm not worth it.
Xavier, just tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. That's my God I believe in.
You are so special to me, do you know that?
Zip it! Don't say a word!